Duol makedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka EACC ochako timo tiegruok ne jotije sirkal e bad migao mar timo nonro ne omenda e yore mag kedo kod mibadhi e seche ma gitimo tijegi. Apisa mawuok e duol mar EACC motelo ne weche mag tiegruok Emily Moria owacho ni puonj ma kama biro keto jotije piny owacho e lai makare mar tieko weche mag mibadhi. Puonj ma kamano ne otim e kaunti ma Machakos.
Internal controls. You ever had? Yeah, after to go and leave. So those are direct tracks. Now, two of them. So if we to move further and say
internal auditors are at the forefront because they check controls, compliance, matters of ethics. So internal auditors are at the forefront in terms of fighting corruption and upholding ethics in different organizations. And as the Institute, we are changing our internal audit standards, and now we have Domain 2, which is on ethics and professionalism, and has really spoken out about matters of ethics and integrity.
As a commission, we are mandated to law enforce, prevent and educate on corruption matters. So we are building capacity of internal auditors. Usually we train most professionals, human resource, architects, and other professionals. The reason being is we believe that professionals are the first line of defense in places where they work when it comes to inculcating the values of ethics and integrity. And